Hello everyone. So finally, we just gonna reveal our surprise.
It's our brand new house!
It's our house.
It's our house in Calgary, specifically Mahogany, Calgary.
It's a beautiful Mahogany neighborhood. So this is the Mahogany Beach Club. So what do they have in the beach club? Swimming pool and all kind of stuff.
They have a tennis court here
The basketball court.
and a basketball court.
I think it's all like community that we can use it.
Yeah, because you pay a homeowners association fee.
What I noticed here, Ontario has a stop sign. Here all we have are roundabouts. Our home, sweet home. When you go there, okay, close the door, entrance. Here's an office room. All the way, there's some space that they have to put your small table, maybe like a shoe rack or something that you can put on your rack. Here, you have plenty of space to put jackets. Just put our jackets because it's snowing outside. So look at this. This is the big, beautiful, like a nicely done kitchens with a big fridge.
The fridge is huge and there's
Yeah, look at the fridge.
And look at the freezer, it's huge. This is humongous compared to what we have at the condo.
Yeah. So for the family, it'll be awesome. So these are microwave countertops, and I think this normally doesn't come like that. I think they upgraded, right?
Yeah, this is like a coffee
Yeah.
station.
Yeah.
And this is something that's popular in Calgary that people don't really have in Ontario. Is a pantry. They haven't put in the shelves yet.
Yeah, they're gonna do it. So we are waiting someone to do that.
But like all your spices and sauces and
Like dry stuff, like
Yeah, dry.
canned food and everything that you can place it here. Here, you can
Look
see.
at all the cabin space. Like I love the cabin space.
Look at the cabinet space there. Perfect. Here's the electric, how to call this? Stove, right?
Yes.
Electric stove. And two stuff with the sinks. So hot water and everything's comes here. So this is a dining area. You can put the dining table in here. And this is the living area. With the living area, you have the access to see the basement. All right. So if you see, this is the basement. We haven't put the fence yet. Soon we're gonna do it. And this is the living room. All right, with a big fire pit. Here, the mud room. This mud room is access to the basement. Oh, such a big backyard. Sorry, the mud room is access to the backyard. So such a big backyard. I'm searching where's our car park. I think our car park is gonna be here.
Maybe here?
Yeah. Perfect. So let's close the door. Are we able to see the mountains from here? No. Anyway, these all new constructions. Close the door.
We're waiting for the garage to be built.
Yeah. So this is the washrooms. Powder washrooms. Okay, now I'm going.
Okay, we're going upstairs.
This is the way. Let's do that.
Do it.
This is the way we are going to the
And if you see, there's a lot of
Upstairs.
natural light.
Wow, look at this.
So it's very bright in here, airy in here. Since it is an investment property, our our great property management company, which is led by Travis.
He's
We'll have
amazing.
his contact information in the YouTube video. He's gonna put up the blinds and get the washing and drying machine for the basement and take care of the rental.
Yeah. And also, this is an empty space.
Yeah.
You can put the TV and put the sofa or lounge, whatever you can do it.
You know,
Or
our nest would have fit perfectly in here.
yeah. Or what you can do, you can make it as a one extra room. So it's gonna turn into four bedroom house.
But I like it as a lounge.
Yeah. So this is the master bedroom.
What's the bedroom?
Yes, Hanush.
Huge.
It's a huge master bedroom with a big window. And here is the walk-in closet.
Rocky?
Wow. And all the way to the back, here is
All
the
the way to back.
Washing.
washroom. You know what's the great thing about this washroom? If you want a two-person brush your teeth, you can do it because two sinks. It is amazing. The nice lights and everything is in here. And here's a standing shower. And here's the washroom. So we haven't put all kind of stuff yet, but you know, this is a great, spacious master bedroom. Go in there, go straight. We'll go on the left side, which is the washroom and dryer with a cabinet, dry storage if you can put all kind of cleaning products or washing stuff, or you can put some clothes, or there is plenty of space. On the other side, it's a second full washroom with a one sink with a standing shower. It's beautiful. All right. Again, all the way. Just go inside to just show around. Perfect. Now, I'm going to the second bedroom. What view we have? Yeah, we have a backyard view from here. Our garage is not fully finished yet. This is not a walk-in closet, but this is more than enough. All right. Then this is the final and third bedroom, which is facing the backyard view. So what is this neighborhood about? All like new construction is happening. Just want to take the quick video all the way to the back. This is how it's gonna be look. This is how it's gonna be look. Then we all done going to the, look at the window. It's a great light is coming from there. Okay, now we are going down to the basement. Sweet.
You wanna wear your socks, buddy?
Okay, now I am going to the legal basement suite, which is this. Has a separate entrance. It's locked. I'm just gonna show you. See, this is a separate entrance. You can come that way, all the way to this door. So the two families, this is the access for the upstairs, and this is the basement. So people can come from this side and they can go down. Here's a nice laminating or luxury vinyl, I don't know that. It's a good thing about this, nicely separated up. Here is the basement suite. If you see it, it's a beautiful spacious. Here's a living room in here, and that's the entrance. That's the kitchen with all the appliances. And here is a small cabinet, closet, sorry. And here's the 2 bedrooms. Here's a full washrooms that we have. Let me turn on the light, I'm gonna show you. So this is the basement suite, standing shower, washroom. It doesn't have 2 washrooms, but one is more than enough for 2 bedrooms, because for the single family, that'll be ideal. You can put the queen bed here. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
This basement I like about what you know, because the natural lights coming from here, so it's not dark. All right. Same goes with second bedroom. So they fully covered. You know, it has to be standard. I think it's a low. And here's it's not a walk-in closet. It's a ideal small closets. All right.
It's a small cookie.
It's not a small cookie, but it's a small closet. All right, let's go skin here, okay? This where we're gonna put the washing machine dryer. So the basement people has a separate washing machine and dryer. That's coming, all right? So hi everyone, hope you guys love the housing tour. And it's time to end the video. Hope you will love it. Please subscribe our channel, and we'll try to put more videos.
And hopefully we've given you some hope in terms of purchasing a home, even if it's not a home that you are going to be living in. I think purchasing a home, even to rent it out, I think is a good way for you to save money and accumulate wealth.
Yeah.
And over time, purchase a home of your own.
Yeah. If it is a far, so not a problem. Just buy it and just go give it for a rental.
Yeah.
Then accumulate some money. Then eventually you can buy a house. So thanks again. Thanks for watching our channel. So from here we are ending our video. Stay tuned. Bye.